Hi.
Hi. All right, so I'm gonna show you how we mix this up. And then after we do that, we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes and I'll make another video on how we do our stretch and fold. So to mix it up, you're just gonna place your bowl on the scale and zero it out. Make sure
And it has to be a food scale, not like one of the weight ones.
Yes. Okay, so grab your starter. So remember yesterday, I made the starter. Our house has been really cold, so I could probably let it go longer and it would get a little higher. Yesterday it was right about here. It's almost doubled, so I know we're fine to use it. When you open it up, it's okay if it smells a little funky. That's what you want. And when you put your spoon in, it's gonna look kind of like cobwebs. That's how you know it's good. It's ready to use. So
then it's like airy and it makes it soft and puffy in the middle when you're eating it.
All right, so we're gonna put in between 50 and 100 grams of sourdough. I put that in first, so I don't know if you can see it, but I dug it in and see how it's looking kind of cobwebby. That's how you know it's ready. So we're gonna just scoop it out. And remember, I said 50 to 100 because you're probably not gonna be able to get it exact because it's so sticky. So we're just gonna get close and kind of get in that window there. I'm at 45, I'll let you stir it.
And when you're stirring, you want to use these because it helps it like not get stuck. Because as you can see, the spoon, it has a lot of it stuck on. So this just helps it like stir easier. This is actually a sourdough stirrer.
You don't have to have one of those though. I didn't have one for a while. And they're kind of a pain in the butt to clean, but they do work good. All right, so I have 76 grams of sourdough. It's about this much, so I know it doesn't look like a whole lot. We're gonna zero out the scale. And we're gonna put in 350 grams of water. Go really slow. So,
It's 200.
okay. So, see how, now you're very close, so we're gonna.
Okay, I can pour the rest.
Nope.
Oh.
All right, we're at 351, pretty darn close. I'm gonna zero that out. Bryn, stir that up a little. Remember, it's always easier to mix up the water and the starter. You don't have to, but I think it's a little easier. Mixes in a little bit better. Once you have that pretty much mixed up, then you are going to add 500 grams of flour, which is a lot. It's like 4 cups or so. Okay, babe, that's probably good. All right. So we're gonna go for 500.
145. 331. 32. Oh, and make sure your scale is in grams.
Mm-hmm.
It can't be in like ounces or whatever.
All right. Okay, 501. Very close. All right, now we're gonna zero it out, and the last ingredient you need is salt. So we need 10 grams of salt. You can use whatever. I like to use the Celtic sea salt one. All right. All right, good. We're at 11. And Bryn, just go slow. Mix that up well for us.
Make sure nothing leaves because you need all of the measurements.
Once you get that mixed up really good, it should start forming kind of a ball. It'll still be kind of sticky, and that's okay. You're just gonna let it sit after you get it mixed up for about 20 or 30 minutes, which they say lets the gluten activate and kind of helps it form a ball later on. So that resting time is important. So we're just gonna mix that up, and then we'll do our stretch and folds after the first 30-minute one. All right, so mix up, mix up, mix up. Let's show what it kind of looks like. So it's gonna kind of start looking like that.
Less like wet looking.
Yeah. Okay.
Once you're getting near the end, it is gonna start like forming itself into a ball. Like this.
Yeah. It gets less sticky, but like if you were to stick your hand in it, it's gonna stick to you real bad.
That's why when you are doing the stretch and fold in the next video, you put a lot of powder, flour.
I use water now. We'll show that in a minute. All right, we're gonna let this sit. It kind of just looks like this, like a messy ball, and then just let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes.